inside and check it out. Now I put my fridge right here and I have my big battery bank underneath it, so my solar comes in there. Then I have my charge controller that hides behind my passenger seat. And I have some more cabinetry and stuff. And I've lifted my bed up higher now. I like this a lot better because then I can fit more storage underneath my drawers, which allows for a lot more storage. And I can still sit up on my bed and enjoy it. And this is a brand new drawer set. Go with my other one. It's a lot more storage. It's really nice. Got a drone. What else? Oh, my diesel heater. This is new. It puts little drops of diesel in through here. Blows out heat through here.
How are you liking that?
I like it a lot. You know, it's really efficient.
Yeah, I like mine too.
Yeah, keeps it warm in here. And that's important to me.
All right. Well, thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
And oh, by the way, watch out for her unicorn hood ornament. It's tasted human blood. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video of that great schoolie. And in the coming weeks, there'll be more. So please, I will see you next Saturday for a tour of another schoolie. Steampunk Steve saying, see you on the road.